Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. Make popcorn with me. Let's get our popcorn ready and then our pot, adding a bit of vegetable oil inside the pot. Then we had popcorn. Yes, I love this particular product. It's very good. So I'm giving it a stir, and when I notice I start popping up, I will cover it. Yes, I will cover it. If you're just joining my page, please click the follow button, like, share, and comment. As you can see, our popcorn is popping. Yes, it's actually popping. And after which I've opened it, then we had a caramel sauce, and we stir everything together. Wow, this is so nice. You can try this, and a trial will convince you. Thank you guys for staying tuned. I love you. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye.